Hello everyone. Welcome back to Atlantic Cooking Channel. I'm Lee.
I'm Tin. Hope you are well, everyone. And today we have chicken and chili. So we would like to fry chicken
with salt chili.
So hope you enjoy with our cooking. Chili and garlic. Salted chili. Chicken. Sugar and chicken seasoning powder. Oyster sauce. Palm sugar and fish sauce. Red pepper.
Lý ơi, mày vô hào vậy?
Our food is ready. Please come to taste with us. Come on.
So yummy.
Now we try with rice. The smell so good. Try now. Tốt rồi. Okay everyone, now time to say goodbye. Thanks a lot for your watching. Please subscribe our channel to get more videos. Now bye bye.